Most knowledge management systems fail silently. You feel the dopamine hit of capturing an insight, tagging it perfectly, filing it away, and then it disappears forever. The elaborate Notion database, the Obsidian vault with color-coded tags, the bookmark folder with 400 links, these become monuments to intention rather than tools of thinking. The guilt accumulates quietly in a browser tab you never open. We've been building knowledge systems on a broken mental model, treating the brain like a hard drive where you write data, store it, and retrieve it on command. But useful knowledge isn't retrieval, it's pattern recognition. It's the connection that fires at 2 a.m. between a systems paper you skimmed 6 months ago and the distributed bug you're staring at right now. No file folder in the world can manufacture that moment. The architecture of the tool has to match the architecture of insight. The first and most damaging mistake engineers make is optimizing for capture volume. More notes, more links, more sources. It feels like thoroughness, but it's actually noise accumulation. The only things worth storing are the things that created genuine friction in your thinking. The idea that contradicted your model, the result that shouldn't have worked, the paper that made you uncomfortable. If reading something simply confirmed what you already believed, storing it adds zero intellectual value. Surprise is the signal, comfort is the noise. Dating your notes isn't about nostalgia or journaling. It's about treating your own belief evolution as an empirical dataset. When you can look back at what you were convinced was true 6 months ago and see exactly how and why your model shifted, you gain something no external article can give you: calibration. Engineers who track their own intellectual drift over time develop a rare metacognitive skill. They know which of their current beliefs are load-bearing and which are just assumptions waiting to collapse. Your changelog matters as much as your current state. Adding a language model layer to your knowledge vault is only valuable if you're asking it to do the one thing a search bar fundamentally cannot: surface non-obvious connections between temporally distant ideas. A daily brief that links something you captured this week to a pattern buried in your notes from 8 months ago is genuinely useful. A summary of your recent captures is not. Summaries compress information you already have. Connections generate information that didn't exist before. That distinction is the entire difference between an AI tool that changes how you think and one that just feels impressive. The engineers who are genuinely worth learning from rarely have the most sophisticated capture systems. What they have is something harder to build: strong, well-sourced opinions and the ability to trace exactly where those opinions came from. They can tell you the specific experience, the paper, the failure, the conversation that shifted their thinking on a given topic. That traceability is intellectual credibility. It's what separates someone who absorbed knowledge from someone who processed it. The system is never the differentiator. The thinking that happened inside it is. The most honest reframe for any knowledge management system is this: it's not a second brain, it's an index. The actual thinking, the pattern matching, the synthesis, that happens in the biological system between your ears, and it always will. The external system is valuable only insofar as it helps you traverse your own thinking more efficiently. This means a small, well-tended, frequently revisited system beats a massive, comprehensive, never-opened one every single time. The question worth asking yourself right now is simple and brutal. What in your knowledge system have you actually returned to in the last 30 days?